Secretary, lahat po yung binanggit ni Presidente na 15 contractors at yung mga nakatakot-takot na proyekto, I'm sure, dahil sasama din ang loob ko pag sinabing walang feasibility study, lahat po yun may feasibility study. Is that correct, Your Honor?
Unfortunately, Your Honor, I don't think so. Unfortunately, Your Honor, I don't think so. Many of these projects that have been implemented over the years did not have any feasibility study. It's just a priority projects that have been included into the program.
Wow, that's more frustrating and that's more depressing, Mr. Chairman. Now you're saying wala palang feasibility study, itong mga projects na ito na bilyong-bilyong halaga na ginagastusan ng ating pamahalaan, itong 4 na taon from 2023, 1.07 billion per day ang budget ng DPWH. 2024, 1.34 billion pesos a day ang budget ng DPWH. 2025 this year, 1.37 billion pesos budget a day. Again, DPWH. And now in the coming 2026 NEP, 1.08 billion pesos budget a day. And then you're gonna say, Mr. Secretary, wala pong feasibility study and huwag kayong magulat kung ghost project yung makukuha natin dito.